Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gell, here to share the October Cafe Card Kit. So our card kit comes out every other month and has a load of supplies for you to create at least 6 cards plus a whole lot more. This month we're featuring the Simple Story Say Cheese Classic Mouse Christmas. So you can see the classic Mickey and Minnie Mouse, red and green with the mint, which I love that when they mix in the mint or the pink with this. So let's dig right in and see everything that you're going to get with this month's kit. So with your card kit, you always receive 6 pre-scored cards and 6 envelopes to get you started. And then we give you some cardstock. And usually there is heavy weight white cardstock that can create more card bases if you want, or I'm sure you have some in your stash. So this month you're going to get some 12 by 12 cardstock in black, red, and the pine. And this one that's red, this one is from Cartabella, and so it has green on the back. So if you really like the green, you have that option, but you also have the red. And the Simple Stories cardstock has the dotted pattern on one side and solid on the other, so I love their cardstock. Okay, and then the 2 8.5 by 11 white, and like I said, this is extremely heavy enough to make card bases with. And then your patterned paper. So you're going to get half a pack of the 6 by 8 paper pad. So this one, of course, is a little big for a card, but we have the back, which is the tone-on-tone green holly leaf. Have polka dot in all of the colors on black, and a ledger on the back side. Stars in the red, green, and mint on a craft. And the back is the text print with Mickey. And then we have Steamboat Willie. And the back is this awesome plaid. We have a larger plaid. The back is a red tone-on-tone with music notes. We have the tags, which these are great for cards because you can just use that to do your sentiment and your little embellishment. The back is a polka dot. Then we have the large circles with the reef and Mickey. The back is a tiny polka dot on black. We have candy canes on the mint. Peppermint stripe. And then the journaling elements, which I love these in the 12 by 12 and the 6 by 8. These are perfect size for the front of your cards as well. The back is the holly on mint. The little squares with Mickey and Minnie. Green. I have 3 by 4 cards. There are 2 sheets of those, and again, these are perfect for cards as well. And the back is a snowflake, and then Steamboat Willie in the red. So that is your patterned paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get the bits and pieces pack, so you're going to get all of them. There's a lot to choose from in there. You're going to get half a pack of the enamel dots that coordinate with this collection, as well as some black and white twine to finish it off. So that is your October card kit. One more look at everything that you'll receive in this month's kit. Be sure to check out all the other kits available in the store. Join us on the Facebook group for some challenges and inspiration. Thanks so much for subscribing to our kits and watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.